Hi guys, let's make the most refreshing passion juice ever. Start by preparing your ingredients, and I used passion fruits. I used 1 pineapple, 2 carrots and a piece of ginger. You can add 1 cardamom pod if you like. And the next step after cleaning your fruits is to cut your passion fruits into halves like you see on the video, and then you're going to extract the pulp. And this is the amount of pulp that I got from the passion fruits. They were quite it was 1 kg of passion fruit. And after that, now go ahead and prep your pineapple, and be sure to use very ripe pineapples for the best results. So after peeling your pineapple, cut it into cubes. As for the ginger, just peel it, cut it into small pieces, as well as the carrots. And after that, you're going to add everything into a blender like you see here. And guys, it is so easy to do, and so far this is one of the most refreshing juices that you can ever try. I really liked making this juice. So after that, you are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and it is optional. You can also use 1 tablespoon of honey, and I used 2 tablespoons of sugar, but use sparingly so that the juice does not be overwhelmingly sweet. And after that, you're just going to sieve it just to get rid of the seeds, the passion seeds. And you can use a spatula to fasten this process. And guys, this juice is not only refreshing, it is also very nutritious, packed with a lot of nutrients. So go ahead and after sieving it, put it in the fridge, and you're going to serve it cold. If you like, you can add ice cubes, and you can enjoy this one after a meal or even after a long day. It was so easy to make this juice. I loved it. I hope you give it a trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Until next time, bye bye.